Digiant. Digiant. Dig. Hello and welcome, Wisdom Seekers. I've got another installment for budget buys for you. This one's gonna be pretty quick because I don't have a lot of time. So let's get right to it. Quick video starting now. You taking pictures. You taking video. You making porn? I don't know. That's your fucking choice. Don't tell me about it. Solution. This thing. 50-inch tripod, $14. Removable phone mount, $14. Three-way pan head with built-in level, $14. 4-section extension legs, it's still $14. Free useless carrying case? Who cares? It's only $14. I see my point here. What? Looking at the box isn't good enough for you guys? You really need to fucking see it? Fine. That's really it. It's just a tripod. Go buy it. Link in the description. Rating 2 out of 3 tripod legs. Like, comment, subscribe. Insert random fact here. The wizard has spoken.